Do a public records request. I think somebody's talking to me. I don't know who.
Come here a second, please. Jake?
I'll go to the second floor.
No, sir, not. Sir, there's no videotape allowed in the building.
That's in the courtrooms or near the
No,
courtrooms.
this is past this point. Security checkpoint, there's no videotape.
That's bull butter.
Sorry?
Have you got the order? Is it from a judge?
I don't have it personally, no.
Yeah, the order from the
I can't
judge
talk to somebody
is
who
in the
is.
courtroom or just adjacent to the courtrooms. I'm going to the records department on the second
No one
floor.
passed, no videotape past that point, the security checkpoint.
Who told you that?
It's posted right out front.
Is
You
there
walk right
a
past the
statute? Or is there a statute?
I have no idea.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just, no black people.
No what?
No black people. That's what it could say. It doesn't mean
doesn't
anything.
say that.
It doesn't mean anything.
It means
It's
you can't
just,
videotape past
it's a
that point.
policy, right? Not a law.
I'm sure it's a judge's order.
It's a judge's order? Let's see the judge's order. I'd like to see the
Come back out
signed
here and we'll get the
order.
secret
No, I'll wait right here for you.
Okay, don't go anywhere.
I'm not gonna go anywhere.
Okay.
Okay. I think he's mistaken. I'm just in the lobby. Just in the lobby, nowhere near the courtrooms.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Nowhere near a courtroom. So if it's a judge's order, he does not run the building. We still have to be able to do our business in the building with the records clerk, which is where I want to go to do a public records request. And they're telling me I can't video in the building at all. And that's ridiculous. I know we can't. All kinds of people coming in. I should be able to come in too. I need to do a public records request. I have to find out who their ADA coordinator is for Title II. Making me wait in the hallway. I want to go to the second floor. As far as I can tell, there is no courtroom on the second floor. See, there's the district court clerk. It's on the first level. City attorney's on the first level. Jury assembly is on the first level. And courtroom 1A is on the first level. I don't intend to film on this first level. I intend to go up to the second floor to the records clerk. That's what I want to do. Good to see you, Stephanie Jenks, Oklahoma Outlaw. Nice to see you as well. Who is that? Eye on Margate? Is that what that is? So there's 9 in here? Everybody needs to say hi. Say hi to me at least. Come on. Hey, I've got business to do. Do I have to wait any longer? Because I'm going up to the second floor. I'm going up to the second floor. Mr. Security Guard, I'm going up to the second floor. I'm no longer waiting. You don't have a court order, I'm going up. Hello? Mr. Security Guard. I'm going up to the second floor to do my business.
I got a supervisor coming.
Okay. Is he bringing the court order?
You can talk to them about that.
Yeah, okay. Wait a minute, he told me that the records department is on the second floor, and I don't see that the records department is on the second floor. I don't want to go to the second floor if that's the case. Where is the records department? I don't want to go to a courtroom or anywhere near a courtroom. Where's the records department? All this stuff is court stuff. Huh. I don't want to go where I'm not supposed to go. I'll follow a judge's court order, even though I think it's a violation of the First Amendment. I think I should be able to go and do my public records requests in public buildings. Just because it happens to be a courthouse. But I don't see the place that I want to go. Huh. You know, I guess they said a supervisor's coming, but I don't see one yet.
Did they give up on you?
Well, they said they can't record here. They're saying that there's a court order that you can't film anywhere in the building. And I was under the understanding that you can't film in a courthouse or the adjacent is to a courtroom or court area. So I'm looking for the records clerk. They told me it was on the second floor, but I don't see it.
Records clerk's right there.
Records clerk, right here?
For the court.
Oh, see, I'm trying to do a public records request for ADA. I want to know who their ADA Title II coordinator is for this entity, for the court.
Because you got the district court and then you got the county court, both in the same building.
Right, probably the county court, because, well,
You could go to them and ask them for the record and then find out where you need to go to.
right,
the
but he told
county
me I had to wait here for a supervisor because I'm not supposed to film in here even, is what he's telling me.
MCR 8.115.
I'm live with Michigan Constitution Crusader. Somebody throw his link in the chat. Everybody go subscribe to him. I don't. Yeah. I just want to do a public records request. Just a quick one. Just verbal. That's all we want to do. I don't want to go anywhere I can't go. I asked them if they would bring the court order. So
Is that what they're
we'll see.
doing?
Well, they're bringing a supervisor. And I asked, well, is he bringing the court order? I'd like to see it.
Right.
Yeah.
What they fail to understand is the judges do not have dominion over the whole building. They only had dominion over their courtroom.
Courtroom. Yeah, right. I imagine the supervisor's trying to look up everything, right?
Oh, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Because they don't know what they're talking about.
Right. They don't know what they're talking about. Already gone through security, but they stopped me because I'm recording. So somebody told me that the records clerk was up on the second floor, but I don't know. One of the guards did. So, we'll try to keep you off camera there. There you go. Well, guys, is Phoenix in the room here? South Carolina Phoenix, ADA Title II auditor. I think what I'll do is just I'll have him send a plethora of emails here. If they're not in compliance, we'll get them into compliance with the ADA. But I don't think I want to wait. I don't think I want to wait for a supervisor. I think it's ridiculous. But just kind of wanted to announce our presence here. Look at the board again, okay? I will do that. Thank you, Nikki. Look at the board again. Level 1 is jury assembly, city attorney, snack bar, district court services. Level 2, circuit court services, community corrections, district probation, circuit court clerk, probate court. Level 3, case management, court administration, circuit court probation, multi-purpose room, circuit court family division, ADR office. ADA coordinator is Andrew. Let me get him on camera here. ADA coordinator, Andrew Thalhammer. 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 That's really all I needed to know right there. Who the ADA Title II coordinator is. We can send emails to him. Find out when he got his certification. And I don't see any ADA notices here. Oh, these aren't supervisors, are they? This is the sheriff's department.
Who wanted to talk to us?
Well, I wanted to go do a public records request with the ADA Title II coordinator. He's on the board here. And so I don't want to go where I'm not supposed to go. I don't want to go near any courtrooms or anything like that, filming. But I need to record my interaction because I'm disabled.
No, I got it.
So, and I wanted to talk to Andrew Thalhammer here,
Okay.
ADA coordinator.
Administrator?
Yeah, and I need to do a verbal records request because I can't type or write.
Okay.
So that's what I wanted to do.
So you want to go talk to Thalhammer
Thalhammer, yeah.
and you want to film while
I want to
you're doing
record the interaction because I'm disabled.
that? Okay. There's a court rule that says you're not allowed to film in the courthouse.
In the courthouse.
Yes.
Do you
Without-
have, is that a judge's order?
It's a court rule.
It's
I
just a
have it-
rule, it's not a law?
I have it written down.
Okay.
The chief judge could enforce it.
Okay. What
you
all does
wanna
it
take
say?
it-
Can,
Basically says that outside of a courtroom in areas of a courthouse other than courtrooms, no one may photograph, record, broadcast, or live stream any individual without that individual's prior express consent.
we're in a public area right here.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah. So there's no expectation of privacy in public, right?
That's not what this is talking about,
Right.
expectations of privacy.
They're
It's
saying I
talking
can't
about-
record anybody.
That's what the
They're
court
saying
rule
that they're
says.
private.
It says
We're in
that you have
public.
to have someone's express consent to film them
That's
in the
anybody?
courtroom.
Oh, yeah, see, I'm not going in the courtroom.
courthouse, I'm sorry, in the
Yeah,
courthouse.
I would understand the courtroom.
I understand.
Yeah.
I'm just telling you what the rule says.
I've just
okay?
tried to do some business here and
Yeah.
record my interaction because I'm
Yep.
disabled, so I need a recording of it.
What disability makes you
I'm
need a
sorry, sir, you
recording?
cannot ask me a question like that. That's against ADA Title II. You can't ask me what my
So you're
disabilities
saying
are.
that the ADA says that you can film?
I'm saying that due to my disabilities, I can do what I'm doing. according to the ADA, Americans with Disabilities Act. You do understand, right?
Yeah, I understand that.
So, but if I can't be here, you can just go ahead and trespass me under threat of arrest and I'll leave.
I'm not trespassing. I'm saying the court rule says that you're not allowed to film people inside the courthouse without their consent. That's what I'm telling you, the court rule says.
All right. Can I have that?
You sure can.
I appreciate
printed it just for you.
Thank you. I appreciate you. What was your name?
Matt.
Matthew
Hooker.
Hooker. And your badge number, sir?
Well, let's take a look.
I can't see that. It's too tiny.
00.
400. And you, sir?
Nobukuski, 273.
I appreciate it. I'm going to go ahead and leave now.
Okay.
We'll just send Mr. Thalhammer a plethora of emails.
Okay.
And make sure that the ADA become compliant here at this courthouse.
Okay.
I appreciate you guys.
Thank you.
Peekaboo, security.
All right, so I'm still live. I did record people without their consent, obviously, because we're in public.
Did you make an ADA request?
I couldn't.
It wouldn't take your request?
Well, Thalhammer is the ADA Title II coordinator. I did get that.
Oh, you did get that?
Yeah, so we'll just send him a plethora of emails.
Okay.
Check for compliance that way. There's no notices out here at all.
And we learned a new word today, folks. Plethora. The word
Plethora,
of the day
yes.
is plethora.
Yes.
I love seeing
Oh,
that.
am I blocking your way? I'm sorry.
Not guilty. You heard it here first, folks.
Get out of here, guys.
All right.
Ripple effect. Love you. Came, we saw, we conquered.
Ripple Effect is here.
Nothing happened. Oh my
Broken
goodness.
System, Broken Trust, and people with Press Harder.
So they weren't trying to stop you from being in there,
They said I couldn't film in there.
but you were filming.
I was filming in there.
Yeah.
I
So you
did
already
it.
did
I
it,
won.
and there's
The
nothing
people
they
win
can do.
again.
They wouldn't stop him from live streaming either.
So
you guys
the-
have to check out this video.
Yeah.
I'm interested.
I'll go right up to those windows and record the clerks
knows
and
when
watch
we get
them
it.
pull their shade.
Anyway, all right, guys. Over here.
All right.
Wait, hold on.
Okay.
Go up to the windows and record the clerks and watch them pull their shades down.
We're not inside the courthouse, right? We're not inside the courthouse. So, yeah, we're not inside the courthouse. Let's put this right up here.
Victims of crime. Look at that. All victims of crime. The funny thing is, whenever an auditor or cop watcher gets arrested, imagine there's never a victim. It's the strangest thing how there's never a victim in a cop watcher or auditor's video.
Right.
They might claim that there's a cop that's a victim.
Yeah.
They might try to claim that. They've got to use it. It's so strange that they would say all victims all doing it. I gotta do it too. There's a YouTuber working here. Look on
Really?
the right.
Uh-oh. She covered up her face there.
He's cam backing it.
Is Cam backing? Where?
Right there. Brian, anybody else that's in here, appreciate you guys checking it out.
What? You didn't see him? So we can do a public records request too for that.
Yeah, absolutely. In box number 8.
Box
He's
number
in box number 8. What
Yep.
time is it?
Box number 8. And what time is it, guys? East Coast time. Give me East Coast time.
Then you come back and you're really going after that. But for now, that's.
All right, somebody will say something here.
I'll see you on the next one. Hey, hit the like button for me. I only got 4 likes in here. Very nice.
I got 15 people in here, 15 likes.
ready with his phone immediately.
Yeah,
that's funny, isn't it?
yeah. There's YouTubers out there. They're filming me without my
What
consent.
time is it? What time is it?
No, I don't have it. It's 120.
Thank you. So at 120, box 8, we have a cam back, and we're going to do a public records request to receive that
He's
footage.
cam backing?
Yeah, we're going to do a public records request
Hold
to
on. Here, let
receive
me
that
make some
footage.
faces for him. We gotta
Yeah.
make this worthy.
Yeah. Oh yeah. You guys see him? Yeah.
Oh, he gave up finally.
Yeah.
That was it.
Oh,
He
now
had
he's
somebody
walking
come
away.
up.
Now
He
he's
had
walking
somebody
away.
come up. He was like, oh man, we have them so surrounded. He didn't even know what. She shut the shade. I don't know what I could have done.
So there you have it, folks. I got their so-called order. They said it's a rule, therefore it's not a law. It's just a rule. It's a bullshit rule. Judges do not own the courthouse. They can, and telling people that they can't be recorded in public is frickin' ridiculous. absolutely ludicrous.
Paralyzed.
Ludicrous.
Those cameras are like, holy shit. how do
So,
you do this?
I know, I'm using big words today.
That's okay.
So, Phoenix is going to send out a plethora of
Oh,
emails.
he was live and everything?
So, yeah.
Yes.
All right. So, I'm going to go ahead and end this. Again, we are in Grand Rapids. ESBT. People press harder. Yeah. And Ripple Effect. And a few others. Michigan Constitution Crusader. We're all meeting up.
Justin Shots.
Justin Shots, Press with Ranker, Brandon Mitchell. Shout out to all those guys. They're holding the fort down.
Walking like you're the bloody sprinkle up your stomach.
Bloody sprinkle up the dono. You say the dangest things. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and end it, guys. We'll see you on the next one. We got to find that X. There we go.